kanilang pangatlong season. Runner by Manila. No foul. Walang awa. Dahil naman. That's Correa. That's the first block for Team Crispin. Three. Angeles. Use the layup. 5-2. Three. Alonso lays it up, 7-5. That's a long two. That's Fernando once again. And three. Long rebound. Kakakuha ni Di Makali pa rin. Nice pass, Angeles. Di Makali. Another rebound. Here's De Leon. Advancing. Lyric. Ay, libreng-libre na naman. Di Makali. Di Makali. Three. Medrano, nice katansa. Yes, and basket will.
Metong mo.
That's a two. The best point guards.
Bago ka marinig na mundo,
Gary, nice pull-up jumper.
Simula pa lang. Dito bigyan. Dugog pawis sa puhunan.
Magsahil. Okay, guys, is good. Medrano, hand off, Gary. Gary, using his left hand to take that layup. Money down. Gatus, Poulter, yun naman. Not Gary. Gary, jumper. Reverse by Medrano is good.
Kung gano'ng kahirap, ding gabi-gabing tahimik, di ako pinipigilan.
Gary, jumper. Shoot naman.
Pagdating ng laro, akong bala.
Gatus, nice pass inside. Good shot naman ni Gatus.
Sigaw ng milyon, pawapawis mo.
Malay. Three. That's a steal. Respect the run. That's a 7-0 round. Timeout tayo. Fernando with attack. Oh, nice pass. Hindi expected ni Bautista. Gatus jumper. Oh, another one. Now De Leon. De Leon, good layup. That's good. De Leon catches it. De Leon, Pinoy step reverse, and that is good again. Another Bautista. The fadeaway. Nice pass. Short side. Okay, that's critical once again. Bola napunta kay Gary. Alonso will try. Alonso. Strong to the basket. Timeout. Huli. Di Makali. Gary back to Di Makali. Correa. That's a three. Mapa. Bang. Three. Alonso. Shovel pass. Eto. Talagang green light saan. Three.
Ito ang simula ng
Alicante, advancing to Mendoza. Mendoza with a skip. Mendoza, nice pass. Oh, that shot. Correa is there, put back. Finally, in and out. Bola, mapunta kay Cruz. Mendoza is up, pop it away. Stop sila ngayon. Mendoza. Nice pass. Alicante attack. No, rebound. Alicante pa rin. Second shot is good. Kick out. Gary is open. Three. Rebound Medrano, pushing it. Huli. No. De Leon catches it. Fake. De Leon, layup is good.
Ako yung unang hampas.
Manggila, layup, yes. De Leon. Yes, time out na ba? Time out. Nakalusot na. De Leon catches it. Mendoza. Hey, Bautista, jumper. There's perimeter from Bautista. Jumper. Short. Rebound. Mendoza. Nakapulot. Nice one. Rebound. Ibarra to De Leon. De Leon attacking. Another one for De Leon.
Dahan-dahan pero sure kami yung susunod. Sumisindi ang gabi kami na next.
Down.
Kami na next.
De Leon, Ibarra, stop and
Kami
go.
na next.
De Leon, pagka, yeah.
Kumilos kami. Parang wave nagre-react. Walang
Kayanan.
makaharap.
Fernando forcing it, wala.
Tahimik
There's a foul
pero
against
biglang
Nick Correa.
para kaming usap
Using
na
his left
dumadaan.
foot.
Hindi mo masyadong mahuli pero ramdam mo sa lugod. Late night grind yan, steady lang pahinga. Habang iba tulog na, kami dito gumuguhit pa.
Oh, rebound. Gatos advancing. Malyari, libre-libre. Iniwanan ng bantay. Nice. Gatos, that's Malyari from downtown. No. Rebound, throws. Put back is good.
Walang shortcut sa
Lead.
taas, pero yan ang
De Leon.
kahit bagal-bagal dating, bigla kami yayakin.
Di Makali, good. Mendoza escapes.
Kami na next.
Angeles, naku, simple. Time out. Fernando, escape. Layup is good.
Kami yung susunod.
Inbox na hiya ba?
Di kami na next. Kami na next.
3 against 2. Gatos. He will go straight. Gatos.
Pag kumilos kami,
Fernando, nice pass to Magbar. He's the layup. 91-77 pushing it. Di Makali, 3 against 1.
ang pilit na pinupunto, kahit gabi-gabi, pagodan dito pa rin.
Cordova, 2 minutes. Last 2 minutes.
Tunog,
Magbar
naririnig ang galaw.
lays it up.
Parang ilalaw sa kanto na biglang lumiliwanag pag ikaw.